Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from Singapore. Well, as promised in my previous video, I'm going to start a series of training videos in terms of how exactly I make a 5-figure per month income with email marketing just using solo ads. Alright, so without further ado, let's go straight to part 1 today. Now, so this is the title, it says. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the entire process flow. Alright, you need to understand the entire process flow so that it's easier for you to understand the whole concept and apply it effectively. So first and foremost, we are going to, of course, purchase solo ads clicks. Then these solo ads clicks, we're going to direct them into this thing called a squeeze page. Alright, the objective of a squeeze page is basically to so-called squeeze the information out from the traffic. And the most important information that we need over here is their email address. Alright, and subsequently, we're going to direct them to whatever offers that we are trying to promote. Now, do you know that by using this very simple concept alone, you can actually test out different offers via the use of rotators? Now, on top of that, remember on the stage 2 whereby the traffic goes in the squeeze page and we manage to squeeze out the email address. So that's where you enter into this thing called our email list. Okay, so once you have accumulated a big enough email list, that's where at the same time you can simultaneously promote back the original offer that you initially showed to them, or you can direct them into various different other offers. So let's break down this thing one by one and take a look. First and foremost, solo ads clicks. So we're going to purchase from various vendors and test and optimize the results. Okay, so eventually choosing our top 5 solo ads vendors that is giving us the most responsive email list and the results. Now, of course, this is not a free method. When you purchase solo ads, there's a need to test different vendors. Now, along this training series, I will also be talking about one of the softwares that I personally use, whereby it can help you to track the effectiveness of each solo ad vendors in a very precise manner, and at the same time allowing you to build your own buyer's email list, even though you are not selling any of your own product, but by just promoting other people's product. So first thing you need to do, please register for a free account with Udimi via the link in the description box below. Now, this is something optional. If you do not wish to spend too much money to test all the different solo ad vendors in Udimi, because there's more than 1,000 sellers over there, you can also choose to grab a copy of my secret traffic sources, which I've spent almost 6 figures to test all these different vendors, and I'm compile all this into my own secret traffic sources via the link in the description box below. So over there, there's even one particular solo ad vendor that is not within Udimi, alright, and if you were to use my discount code, you can get up to 23% discount off every single purchase from that particular vendor. And that vendor has actually given a lot of multiple sales for myself and my one-on-one coaching students. Next, squeeze page and email list. Now, in order to help you guys to save costs, we'll be using an all-in-one builder called system.io to build our squeeze page and embark on our email marketing campaigns. So you can refer to the link in the description box below to register a free account. This account is free up to a maximum of 2,000 contacts. From 2,000 contacts to 5,000 contacts is only $27 per month. Alright, it's one of the cheapest and most efficient all-in-one builder that even I myself are using. Okay, so for the purpose of this entire training series, alright, please follow along with me in video part 3, so this is part 1, on how to design the squeeze page using system.io, adding the tags, how to start your email marketing campaigns, so on and so forth. Alright, now next, let's talk about offers. Okay, for the purpose of this video series, we will be using CPA offers, cost per action. Okay, why? Because all the commissions are non-refundable and it's easier to reap a positive return on investment from your solo ads purchase. So please refer to the link below in the description box as well to apply for as an affiliate with the CPA network. Now, certain things to note, very important. First and foremost, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, there is absolutely no one that can guarantee that every single time you purchase solo ads, you are definitely going to reap a positive ROI. You are definitely going to get even one sale. Okay, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, over the years, I realized that even though there are so many forms of so-called push button system. The only real push button system that I have personally experienced is only email marketing. Because the moment you have a big enough list and that is responsive and you know how to actually clean the list, regularly, how to do your list segmentation, end of the day, all you need to do is just to send out an email and you will definitely get some sales. It can be in the hundreds, it can be in the thousands. It really depends on how big your email list size and how responsive they are and how good your offers are. Okay, so let's go on to the slide itself. So like what I mentioned just now, the main objective is to build up a responsive email list in the shortest time possible so that when you reach an email list size of at least 20,000, okay, at least 20,000 leads, you can obtain sales daily. Okay, this is the statistics that I've seen it, witnessed with my own eyes, all right, obtaining sales daily from different offers marketplaces. So which means to say, you don't have to just promote CPA. Once you have a list size of 20,000, you can promote literally anything under the sun so long as it's referring to make money online. You can refer products from ClickBank if you want to. You can refer products from, you can promote products from Digistore24, from Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, so on and so forth. You will still be able to obtain sales every day because your list size is big enough to justify the conversion rates. All right, then that would be a true blue push button system as stated on the screen. Now, to summarize whatever I mentioned just now, the tools that you need, the very first one is a free system.io account. Okay, second thing, a Udimi account. The third thing, the option, or rather which optional to purchase my secret traffic sources. And if budget really allows you to, and you are so keen to embark into email marketing via solo ads, okay, I will seriously encourage you to get a copy of this. Next, a CPA network. All right, so these are all the tools that you need, and all the links to apply are available via the description box below. Okay, now I added one more slide over here because it's something additional. The fifth thing that you see here is this thing called your personal domain. Okay, your personal domain. Now this is also very important when it comes to email marketing. Because if you want to embark into mass email marketing, like what I mentioned just now, 20,000 email lists, 30,000 email lists, okay? You cannot use so-called email addresses from common ESPs such as Gmails, Yahoo Mail, AOL, Hotmail. You can't do that. You have to set up your own personal domain. All right. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below, whereby for my case, all my domains were purchased from Bluehost because it comes with the professional email accounts that you can set up with. And it's very dirt cheap. All right. It's only like $35 per year, barely $3 per month. All right, but of course they do not have a per month basis. It's all on a per year basis calculation. All right, so it's only $35 USD per year. So all the links to apply again are via the description box below. Now, just a side note. If you're interested to master high ticket affiliate marketing, first and foremost, are you keen to make USD 1,000 per sale? How about mastering email marketing in an entire step-by-step method? How I grow the same email list to reap in 3 different sources of income. How I grow my social media following using shorts videos. How to earn entirely passive high ticket sales. Next, how to actually earn team bonus of 5,000, etc. If this is something of interest to you, I've also left a link below in the description box whereby you can actually access more information about it. Okay, so I'll see you in video part 2.